In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes in Figma. By the end, you'll be confidently masking any image into any shape for clean, professional results. Start by opening Figma in your browser or desktop app and then open your project file. Make sure the image you want to use is already in your project. If it's there, perfect, you're ready to go. Next, add the shape you prefer. This could be a rectangle, an ellipse for a circle, a polygon, a star, or even a custom vector shape you've drawn. Place that shape on your canvas where you want the cropped image to appear. Having both the image and the shape in your project sets the stage for the mask. Now, drag your image so it sits directly on top of the shape. In the Layers panel, the image layer should be above the shape layer. This order matters because the shape underneath will control the visible area of the image. Make sure the shape is fully covered by the image. If needed, scale the image up so it extends past the edges of the shape. Holding Shift while resizing helps maintain the image's proportions, and using the Move tool lets you position the subject exactly where you want it within the shape. When everything looks aligned, select both the image and the shape together. You can click and drag to marquee select them on the canvas, or hold Shift and click each layer. With both selected, right-click and choose Use as Mask. That's it. The image is now neatly cropped to the shape. What you've created is a mask group. If you want to fine-tune the composition, double-click into the group to move or resize the image inside without breaking the effect. You can also adjust the shape itself, change its size, tweak corner radii, or edit vector points. And the mask will update instantly. If the mask doesn't work the first time, double-check that the image layer is above the shape and that both layers were selected before applying the mask. A few quick tips for cleaner results. Use high-resolution images so the edges look crisp when you scale. Keep the shape simple if you need a clean, iconic crop. And remember, you can duplicate the mask group to experiment with variations without changing your original. And that's all you need to crop images into shapes in Figma using masks, fast, flexible, and fully editable.